Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall learn active voice and passive voice. We have already discussed about active voice and passive voice. Active voice means what? No, active voice means Katruvachya. Passive voice Karmavachya. When a sentence begins with a subject, that is called active voice. When a sentence begins with object, that is called passive voice. And we have also discussed about the verb forms. A verb has 6 active forms and 6 passive forms. For example, eat, eats, ate, eaten, eating, to eat, eat. These are active voice forms. Passive voice forms is, am, are, was, were eaten, right? Have, has, had, been eaten. Next, being eaten, is, am, are, was, were being eaten. Next, to be eaten, be eaten. So these are the passive forms. Today we shall discuss about, look at the blackboard, tense aspect, active voice, passive voice. These are the verb forms. Verb is eat, simple present. What did I say? Simple present. So simple present, its active voice form is eat, eats, right? Passive voice for is, am, are, eaten, right? So simple present, eat, eats, active in active voice, and passive voice is, am, are, eaten, right? Ian. Similarly, present progressive, is, am, are, eating, is, am, are, being eaten. Next, present perfect, have, has eaten, its passive forms are have, has been eaten. Next, past simple, ate, its active voice form, its passive voice forms are was, were, eaten. Next, past, was, were, eating. Past progressive, was, were, eating. This is the past progressive. So its active voice forms are was, were, eating. Here passive voice forms are was, were, being eaten. Right? This one. And past perfect, had eaten, had been eaten. It's active voice form. This is the passive voice form. Now let's move to the what? Yes, future time. So future simple, shall, will eat, or modals, shall, will, modals eat, shall, will, modal be eaten. This is active voice form, these are passive voice form. Similarly, future perfect, shall, will, have eaten, active voice form, shall, will, have been eaten. Okay, so mark that. लक्ष्य करो जे passive voice रो main verb is always en form. Here en, here en, here en, here en, here also en, here also en. Just 1 minute, and the next one is also the same, having the same. Here is also en, right? So आमे देखिले active voice को passive voice कला बड़ो को main verb always becomes a third form, en form or third form. Similarly, से जगह रे be verb कौन डिले लगी ची. Let's see what be verbs are used in each case. Yes. Yes. Be verb is, am, are. This is be verb. Here is, am, are. Here is been. Here being is used. Here been is used. Here be is used. And also be is used. So आमे कथबार्ता we discussed that in order to make a passive voice, we have to make the main verb its a third form or a en form, and we will use any of the be verbs. What are the be verbs? Is, am, are, was, were, right? Is, am, was, were, been, being, be. Be. Is, am, are, was, were, been, being. So these are used. Okay. Now let's move. Let's do some examples. Right? We shall do it. Just 1 minute. So here past progressive. This wall. Walls of my room were being painted green. A chair was being made for me. Present perfect. The room has been decorated. These are the passive voice forms. Okay. Next, passive with modals. We have already discussed. The passive used with the complement. Yes. The students have selected Sushma Raut, monitor of the class. Sushma Raut has been selected monitor of the class. Father gave the son 50 rupees. The son was given 50 passive form of verb having two objects. So the father, this is the verb, you know. Father, this is the verb gave. Give, gave, given. Give means daba, gave, dele. Give, gave, given. Giving, to give, give. So gave in the past tense. Was is used. Was given. It became was given. And the object son went to the first position and father. Could understand? Next, 50 rupees again. 50 rupees. It come to the first position. Was given to the son. And this verb is a passive form of gave. Right? Next. Okay. Now let's do the sum of the what I said the use of passive voice. Yes. One minute. Just 1 minute. So it is activity 4. Okay, we shall discuss about activity 4. Rewrite the following newspaper. Newspaper means Sambadapatra. Newspaper report using passive form of the verb. Thieves held the manager of the Taj Hotel at a gunpoint last night. Could understand? During a daring raid in which they took nearly Rs rupees 5 lakh from the hotel safe. So the answer is The manager of the Taj Hotel was held at a gunpoint last night. First one. Nearly rupees 5 lakh was taken away from the hotel saved during the raid. Next, they also broke into several of the bedrooms and removed articles of the value. Several pieces of equipment were damaged. Several of the bedrooms were broken into and articles of value were removed. Question 4. The thieves made the escape through the kitchen where they damaged several pieces of equipment. That is, several pieces of equipment were damaged. Yes. So, they injured the chef injured the chef when he tried to stop them. The chief chef was injured when he tried to stop them. 6. Them and left him lying unconscious on the floor. The thief he was left unconscious on the floor. Next, police arrested the thief early this morning. The thieves were arrested by police early this morning. Now, come to the point, we shall do it. Right? Thieves held the manager of the Taj Mahal at a gunpoint. Our verb held. Right? Hold, held. What is given? The manager of the Taj Hotel was held. Held became was held. Who was held? The manager of the Taj Hotel was held. Okay. Next one is they one point last night during raid with which they took nearly, here is a verb took. Take, took, taken. So it took became was taken. What was taken? Nearly unless 5 lakh was taken. Next one is several of the bedrooms were broke. They also broke. Here is the verb broke. Brick broken. Brick means bhangiva. Broke was broken. So several of the bedrooms were broken. सब simple past अच्छी ताकू was लगाई was were. Next one is several pieces of equipment were damaged. Here damage. नष्ट हो गया. Mark damage. This is the verb. Damaged. So subject is several. Here several pieces of equipment plural. So where is used? Next one the chef means what? Randhade was injured. This is the verb. Injured. Was injured. Next one is he was left unconscious. Left. Here is the verb left. Leave, left. He was left. Next one is the thieves were arrested. That means arrested. The police arrested. Arrested became was arrested. First was held. Then was taken. Then was broken. Bedroom and was broken. What did I say?
Was broken.
Were broken and were removed. Were broken. Were removed. Right. Next one is the pieces equipment were damaged. Right. Damaged became were damaged. Next, the chief was injured. Injured became was injured. Next, He left became was left. Was left. Right? Then the thieves were arrested. Arrested became were arrested. Okay. And that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the other items in your next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.